Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to connect Instagram to Twitter. To do that, first open Instagram on a phone, go to upload photos, select any photos if you want to, click that on the top right corner. At this page, you can select any filters if you want to do that, and click the top arrow again. At the share page, turn on the Twitter button and it'll take you to a page where Instagram will ask for your Twitter username and password. Provide them and click Authorize app. Now your Twitter account is linked to the Instagram. Click the tick mark and the photo will be uploaded to Instagram and to Twitter. As you can see, it's also uploaded in Twitter. So that's how you can connect Instagram to Twitter. Hope you guys like this video.